All right. Hi. This is this is our presentation about the current progress of nanomedicine for prostate cancer diagnosis and treatment.
So, for the types of nanoparticles used, the article describes several types of nanoparticles used for the diagnosis and treatment of prostate cancer, including gold nanoparticles, polymeric nanoparticles, magnetic nanoparticles, mesoporous silica nanoparticles, quantum dots, liposomes, and micelles. For gold nanoparticles, they are engineered for enhanced tumor targeting and imaging and used for MR-guided prostate cancer therapy by binding gadolinium complexes and PSMA targeting ligands to their surface. Polymeric nanoparticles are typically less than 1 micrometer, classified into nanospheres and nanocapsules. They actively target prostate cancer cells by binding LHRH ligands to PLGA, PEG nanocapsules. Magnetic nanoparticles are superparamagnetic iron oxide nanoparticles coated with biocompatible shells. They're used for MRI contrast enhancement and targeted drug delivery through external magnetic fields. Mesoporous silica nanoparticles have pore sizes of 2 to 50 nanometers with high surface area for drug loading. They're used for drug delivery and MRI contrast enhancement in prostate cancer imaging. Lastly, quantum dots have a range of 2 to 10 nanometers and are semiconductor nanocrystals and are used for fluorescent imaging for cancer detection.
The problem in the article is not having many ways to treat prostate cancer. That's where the nanoparticles talked about before come in. If you may not know, the prostate is very hard to reach unless using an intensive and invasive procedure. That is why doctors and scientists decided to start using nanoparticles. They can be injected into the bloodstream and can travel however far they need to go and be released to treat the cancer. Therefore, nanoparticles are the best treatment for prostate cancer because they can directly transport the treatment and are very versatile, so they can be changed to better treat the constantly adapting cancer cells.
Several different nanoparticles can be used in different ways to assist in both the diagnosis and treatment of prostate cancer, as well as other types of cancer. For instance, magnetic nanoparticles, as mentioned before, can be placed throughout the body and scattered through the bloodstream or different areas and organs where is being diagnosed before an MRI. And when the MRI runs on that area, the nanoparticles light up and can much more easily highlight possible problems inside people's bodies, as well as make it easier to pinpoint the exact locations of these problems. So it's easier for surgeons to know where they are, as well as where to deploy treatments, particularly through gold nanoparticles, which can encase drug treatments that are to be transported to the site of the cancer and treat it. And gold is particularly desirable of an agent to do this because gold as an element is generally non-reactive and it is much less risky to put it inside of the human body than many other elements as they have a higher chance of reacting negatively to natural elements.
So viewing how this this technology improves on current technology, using the current technology, prostate cancer can be difficult to treat. And according to the article that we had, some prostate cancers can be resistant to current treatments that we have right now. Just prostate cancer can be chemo resistant, radio resistant, and ADT resistant, which ADT is a systematic hormonal therapy. And on slide eight, I said on slide eight, nanoparticles can more efficiently locate cancerous tumors, and using gold nanoparticles can act as a healthier method of treatment, having fewer side effects on healthy tissues. Additionally, this application can be combined with other treatment methods like the ones in the previous slides to increase effectiveness.
This is our reference and the article that we used. And nanoparticles are a stepping stool to all things in modern medicine.